So, are you wondering, what exactly is a factory reset? How to factory reset Android phone? And what happens when you reset your phone? This tutorial will give you everything you need to know about Android factory reset. Part 2. How to factory reset Android phone and tablet from settings. Navigate to Settings in your Android menu. Go to General Backup and Restore. Choose Factory Data Reset. Confirm the reset and click Delete All to restore factory settings. Part 3. How to factory reset Android in Android recovery mode. Power off your phone. Press and hold power plus volume down to enter recovery mode. Navigate with volume keys and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. If you are prompted to delete user data, click Agree. Your phone will now initiate a factory reset. Please be patient and wait for it to complete. Once done, select the Reboot System Now option to reboot the phone. Part 4. How to reset Android phone from Android Device Manager. Visit the Android Device Manager website on your computer and log in with your Google account. Select the Android device you want to reset, and a window will appear on the screen with 3 options: Ring, Lock, Erase. Choose the Erase option to start the remote reset. A message will pop up on the screen telling you the impact of doing this. Just click Erase again to factory reset. Part 5. How to factory reset Android via Eraser for Android. At this time, we recommend that you use the professional Android erasing software, Mobican Eraser for Android, to permanently erase the phone data without any possibility of recovery. Install Eraser for Android on your computer. Connect your device and enable USB debugging. Click Erase, choose Security Level, and confirm. Click Erase to start the process. After completion, click Continue for on-screen instructions to finish the factory reset.